Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to write your resume for Indeed. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you will need to be able to write a resume for Indeed and to upload it is to first have the resume ready to be uploaded to Indeed. So guys, if you need some tips on how to write a resume, you can go ahead and find tips on Google by searching how to write a resume. And here you will be able to see some of the recommendations, what you can put, how it should look like, and so on. So guys, after you have your resume, you will need to have it saved on your PC in a PDF format or in a Word format, doesn't matter. You will just need to have it saved on your PC and then you'll be able to get started uploading it to Indeed. So you can go ahead guys and click on the post your resume option right here if you go to the official Indeed.com website and log into your account. And after logging into your account, you'll be greeted by this home page where is the button that says post your resume. You can click on that and it will take you onto this new option where you can go ahead and upload your resume or build an Indeed resume. So you can go ahead guys and select to build one if you want to create it right here on Indeed, or you can upload the one that you have already made on your PC, and after that you can go ahead and upload it, and after that you'll have a resume on Indeed. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.